What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today we're actually not going to be working on the Grom. We are actually going to be installing all this wonderful stuff for a mic setup for the Moto vlog. I actually got a mount from let me see. Yeah, it says they're called Ride Tech Moto. They're in Canada. So it took me about, I'd probably say 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks to actually get this. It's actually made just for my Bell Qualifier helmet that I got. As you can see, I already got the Cardo Pack Talk Slim. I love it. So let's open everything up and let's see what we got. Alright, so the first one is, like I said, they're a company out of Canada. I'll put the link in the description below. They actually make custom brackets if you want to do moto vlogging. So let's see what it looks like. The package is really good. So basically, here it is. It's made out of ABS, and it says on the side Ride Tech and made in Canada. And you could also get what I got. It's, I think, an extra $10, but they actually give you the mounting for the GoPro. So it basically clips on like that. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my helmet cleaner and basically just rub it down, clean it up, and then let's see how good of a fitment it is. Alright, so we got everything on. Honestly, I'm really happy on how this actually came out. So basically the next part is going to be the GoPro adapter that I got. So basically the reason why you get this is so you can put the mic in to the slot on the GoPro itself, because obviously if you're going to do any kind of moto vlog or anything, it's not going to be that great, and the sound is probably just going to be all wind. So let's open this up and let's see. Okay, so basically the GoPro is going to be here, and I feel like if I mount the adapter and then basically I could just run it all the way around, and then it should be right there. So I'm going to put this all together and then we're going to take it for a little test spin. So, hopefully this is working. Okay. So, let's go for a ride, and hopefully the sound works, because it's pretty cold today. It's about 40 degrees, so let's see how this goes. Hopefully the audio is pretty good. I know I used this mic setup before, and I was very happy with it. So hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah, I'll get my on and see the total taper. But yeah. Hopefully video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.